Hello everyone, welcome back to Joyful Learning 365 YouTube channel. So today we are going to discuss about how to hide the nav bar and command bar in model driven applications of Microsoft Dynamics 365 CRM. So So let's try to understand. So usually this requirement we will get for example, if you want to hide the nav bar and command bar, right? At that time we'll use this requirement. So let's see practically how we can achieve this requirement. So for example, as you can see on the screen, as of now I'm in a make.powerapps.com. So you can see here there are multiple model driven applications are there in my instance. So I'm currently in dev environment. So here I have a multiple model driven apps are there. So for example, I am opening Sales Hub model driven application. Let me play it. So as you can see on the screen, it's getting loaded. So here, this is my model driven app application. Whatever the sales hub application is this, right? So this is the model driven application. So basically the left hand side, whatever this is there, you are seeing, right? This one we used to call it as like a sales and app settings and sales insights or else marketing list and whatever this like a navigation area is there, right? Usually this particular area we used to call it as a now bar or else a site map also we used to call. Okay, site map or now bar. So in technical terminology, in FDT terminology, we used to call it as a site map. But whereas coming to the in technical terminology, we used to call it as a now bar. Okay, so here now the question is like a we need to hide this one. Okay, this area, whatever the now bar or site map, we need to hide this one. How we can hide this navbar or sidebar sitemap? Okay, so let me create a get duplicate browser. Okay, duplicate window, duplicate tab. So here you can see. So only I want to show this area. I don't want to show this area. Let's try this one. Okay, so here simply whatever the URL is there, right? See directly I'm going to the browser. If you see this browser, by end of the URL, here I need to enter ampersand navbar equals to NAVBAR equal to OFF. You need to simply type this one. Okay, at the end of the URL, you need to type ampersand navbar equals to off. Okay, once you enter this one, so here you can see it will get removed. Okay, so you can see here it will get removed. For example, copy this URL and I have a sending an email to the my end user. So I don't want him to navigate to the sitemap. So here, so if I am sharing this one, let me see. So I, for example, think that this URL has been shared with the end user and he's now browsing. Okay, so he's logged into the system and he's able to see. So here you can see it's like now still not able to see. For example, if he is going backside, so whether you are no, it is not, they are not able to go backside. So if you go front side, yes, he is allowed to move front side. Again, if he is having a technical knowledge, then he will go here and now bar off equals to if he removed and else if he can keep on also it will start displaying this site map. Okay, or this one else if he remove also directly it will show him. Okay, uh, by default only it will be shown only. So here you can see, so like this we can hide and show the nav bar. Now the second thing we'll try to understand how to hide the command bar. So which area we used to call it as a command bar? So if you see here, I have opened account entity. In this account entity, when I am opening this account entity or selecting any record in the list also, there you are able to see the at the top there are you are able to see the multiple buttons are there. So basically this area, whatever this area is there, right? So this area we used to call it as a command bar. Okay, so here let me see here. So earlier, what to hide the navbar, we used the syntax and navbar equals to off. But whereas coming to the, if you want to hide this area, right, here you need to enter a different, completely different, but the place is the same at the postfix of the URL. Okay, now let me go here and check here and okay, and cmd command ampersand command bar equals to false. So here, as you can see on the screen, see here, I'm not able to see now save button and whatever the custom buttons are there. Okay, this is my window. Okay, and again, if you see, this is the normal window. For example, here I didn't hide any buttons here. See here. So now so command bar has been not hidden. It is by defaultly it is showing. So here, if you see, this is hidden. Okay, so this is the difference. This is how we can hide the nav bar, command bar. So here, basically, at the post end, to achieve this requirement, what we did here. So simply we added and command bar equals to false. Okay, and CMD. You don't need to write the complete COMMAND complete one. Only you need to enter ampersand CMD BAR equals to false. FALSE. If you enter this one, immediately the command bar will be get hidden. This is how we can hide the command bar and now bar. I hope you have learned something new in this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more interesting updates. Joyful Learning 365 YouTube channel. That's it for today. Let's meet in next video. Thank you.